Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall Uplay. So what you're going to be doing is uninstalling the Ubisoft Uplay Launcher, this thing right here in Windows 10. So how we're going to do that is first of all you want to go to the bottom left hand corner where it says start. You can click there, then you can click the little cog where it's the settings there, click on that. Then you're going to want to go ahead and click on apps once you see this Windows setting thing here. And then to get to this apps and features part, you can also just type in the search at the bottom here, add or remove programs like this, and just click that and you're going to get to this page too. But once you're here, all you're going to want to do is scroll down to Uplay once you see it in the apps and features section. So you can see Uplay there, just go ahead and click on that. Then you'll see uninstall, you just want to click on that button there. Then click uninstall again, like that. Then it will come up with a screen saying this, and then you have to click yes. And then you want to go click next on this one, and then you can just click uninstall just like that. And then as soon as that's done, right here, you can just go ahead and close this. Once you see the app gone there, you just click close, and then it's gone. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how to do videos on the Windows 10. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.